Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto opuo chenro mar gedo mar udi ma nengogi oyweyo ma sirkal mare osebedo ka chwale pacho kae. Ruto olose kinde romo mar twak ewi chenro mag bero bombe, romo ma obagi e boma ma Baku e piny mar Azerbaijan. Ruto wacho ni pinje mag Afrika osebedo kod midhiero mar yudo kuonde dak makare, kendo mane momiyo Kenya jiwore mar chopo kare lek mare. Wacho ni gedo no oseloko sura mar piny Kenya. Hapo ni sawa.
In almost every country, statistics show us that 3 billion people suffer from inadequate housing. 1 billion people live in slums, and 300 million people are homeless. These are not cold statistics. These are not numbers. These are people, these are families, these are children. Let me take this opportunity to give you Kenya's perspective. We have 1,100 informal settlements. We have 7 million people living in these informal settlements. And as a result, we took the decision that it was not tenable, it was not right for us to continue in this trajectory. And therefore, we took the housing program as a central pillar of our development program.